Good morning students. Welcome to 6th standard mathematics lesson number 16 quadrilaterals. Let's see the learning objective for this chapter. What is quadrilateral and what is adjacent sides and opposite sides of a quadrilateral and what is adjacent angles and opposite angles of a quadrilateral and what is the diagonals of the quadrilateral and what is polygon. Children, let's learn quadrilaterals. In geometry, a quadrilateral can be defined as a closed two-dimensional shape which has four straight sides. A quadrilateral has four sides, four angles and four vertices. A quadrilateral can be regular or irregular. In this figure, the quadrilateral ABCD has the four sides, that is side AB, side BC, side CD and side DA, and four angles are angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, and the four vertices point A, point B, point C and point D. Example 1. Observe the figures given below and say which of them are quadrilaterals. Figures are given and we have to check it which one is the quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral means four-sided closed figure and quadrilateral has four sides, four angles and two diagonals. In this first figure is the four-sided closed figure, and we can draw two diagonals also here, and your second figure is also the four-sided closed figure, but we can draw only one diagonals, and third and four is the not the four-sided closed figure. Therefore in these figures your figure number 1 is only the quadrilateral. Reading and writing of a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral can be named by starting at any vertex and going serially either clockwise or anti-clockwise around the figure. Here we can read the quadrilateral either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. The first method of the reading quadrilateral is the quadrilateral ABCD, and writing part is quadrilateral ABCD. Second way is quadrilateral BCDA, and third method quadrilateral CDAB, and fourth method quadrilateral DABC. Let's learn adjacent sides of a quadrilateral. Adjacent sides of the quadrilateral have a common vertex. Here the quadrilateral ABCD, and which are the pairs of the adjacent sides. The first pair of adjacent sides is side AB and side AD. This side AB and side AD has the common vertex is A. And second pair side BA and side BC. And third pair side CB and side CD. And fourth one side DA and side DC. These are the pairs of the adjacent sides. And next is opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Opposite side of the quadrilateral do not have a common vertex. And here opposite side, pairs of opposite sides. This is the quadrilateral ABCD, and first pair of quadrilateral pairs opposite sides is side AD and side BC, and second pair is side AB and side DC. These are the opposite sides of quadrilateral ABCD. Let's discuss adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral which have one common arm are called adjacent angles of the quadrilateral. Here the quadrilateral PQRS, and which are the adjacent angles of the quadrilateral PQRS? First one, angle SPQ and angle PQR. Second one, angle PQR and angle QRS. And third one, angle QRS and angle RSP. And fourth one, angle RSP and angle SPQ. These are the adjacent angles of the quadrilateral PQRS. Let's study opposite angles of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral which do not have common arm are called opposite angles of a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral EFGH, angle opposite to the angle EFG. Angle EFG is equal angle EHG. And second one, angle opposite to, there is the angle FEH is equal angle FGH. These two are the opposite angles. And next is the diagonals. The line segment which join the vertices of the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are the diagonals of the quadrilateral. The quadrilateral has the two diagonals, and which are the two diagonals in this figure? Segment EG and segment FH are the two diagonals of the quadrilateral EFGH. Property of the quadrilateral. The sum of the measures of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. In this quadrilateral ABCD, the four angles are angle A, angle B, and angle C and angle D. Therefore, the property is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal 360 degree. Learn polygon. In geometry, a polygon can be defined as a flat or plane, two-dimensional closed shape with straight sides. There is a polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments. Here the examples of polygons are triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagon, hexagon, etc. Let's move on your practice set 37, question 1. Observe the figures below and find out their names. Figure is given. In the first figure, the 5 sides closed figure is called pentagon, and second one, 6 sides closed figure is called hexagon, and third one, 7 sides closed figure is called heptagon, and fourth one, 8 sides closed figure is called octagon. Let's start your practice at 38. Question 1. Draw quadrilateral XYZW and answer the following. First, you have to draw the quadrilateral XYZW. And your first question, the pairs of opposite angles. In this quadrilateral XYZW, the first pair of opposite angles are angles, there is angle XYZ and angle XWZ. Second one, angle YXW and angle YZW. Second question, pairs of opposite sides. In this quadrilateral XYZW, the pairs of opposite side, there is side XY and side WZ. Second pair, side XW and side YZ. Third question, the pairs of adjacent sides. Here the adjacent side, first one, side XY and side XW. Second one, side WX and side WZ. Third one, side WZ and side ZY. And fourth one, side ZY and side ZYX. Question 4. The pairs of adjacent angles. Here in this quadrilateral XYZW, the first pair angle XYZ and angle YZW, second one angle YZW and angle ZWX, and third one angle ZWX and angle WXY, and next one angle WXY and angle XYZ. Question 5. The diagonals of the quadrilateral. There are the two diagonals, segment XZ and segment YW. Question number 6. The name of the quadrilateral in different ways. You have to write the name of the quadrilateral in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. First one, quadrilateral XYZW. Second way, quadrilateral YZWX. And third one, quadrilateral ZWXY. Fourth one, quadrilateral WXYZ. And next one, quadrilateral XWZY. And next one, quadrilateral WZYX. And next one, quadrilateral ZYXW. And last one, quadrilateral YXWZ. Question number 2. In the table below, write the number of sides the polygon has. In this table, the names of polygon is given and we have to write the number of sides of the polygon. Solution. In the first name, here it is the quadrilateral. The quadrilateral has 4 sides and octagon has 8 sides and pentagon has 5 sides. Heptagon has 7 sides and hexagon has 6 sides. Number 3. Look for examples of polygons in your surroundings and draw them. What you have seen, the polygons in your surroundings that you have to draw here. Here the first one is the triangular 3 sides, there is a set square, and second one is the 4 sides rectangle. This is the flag. Shape of the flag is rectangular shapes, 4 sides. And here pentagon, 5 sides. There is the cross section of the lady's finger. And next one, 6 sides hexagon. Here it is a honeycomb chamber. We see polygons when we join the tips of the petals of various flowers. Draw these polygons and write down the number of sides of each polygon. The first flower is white trillium, and when we join the tips of these petals, then you will get the shape of the polygon is triangle. Number of sides of triangle is 3. And second figure is the flower name is periwinkle, and when we join the tips of this petal, then you will get The shape of the polygon is pentagon and number of sides of pentagon is 5. Question number 5. Draw any polygon and divide it into triangular parts as shown here. Thus, work out the sum of the measures of the angles of the polygon. The figure is given. We have to find sum of the measures of the angles of the polygon. Solution. Here hexagon ABCDEF can be divided into 4 triangles, namely triangle BAF and second one triangle BFE and third triangle BED and fourth triangle BCD. You have already learned sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, sum of the measures of angles of this polygon is equal 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180. That is equal 720 degree. Therefore, total measurement is equal to 720 degree. Thank you, dear students.